Hello there, this is another probability video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to get the addition rule. Now, to get this addition rule, we first have to label parts of this Venn diagram. Now I'm going to label this circle over here A, this one over here B, and I'm going to call the sample space S. The probability of A taking place is going to be called A. The probability of B taking place is going to be called B. And the probability of A intersection B is going to be called I. If this is the case, on this Venn diagram, we can call this over here I. We can call this over here A minus I. And we can call this over here B minus I. Now, before I give you the addition rule, I'm going to find out what this blank space over here is, okay? Because this will be useful in other videos. Now, like I said in my previous video, the sample space must be equal to 1. What this will mean is that the blank space is going to be equal to 1 minus A minus I minus I minus B minus I. Now let's simplify this expression. So what we get is 1 minus A plus I minus I minus B plus I. Now over here, I minus I cancel each other out. So what we're left with is 1 minus A minus B plus I. And we can simplify this further. This will give us 1 minus A plus B minus I in brackets. So we know that this blank space over here is equal to 1 minus, in brackets, A plus B minus I. Okay? Now that this Venn diagram has been labelled, we can go about finding the addition rule. Now, the addition rule is based on A union B. So we're going to be finding this shaded area over here on this Venn diagram. So the probability of A union B is going to be equal to A minus I, which is this, plus I, which is the middle, plus B minus I, which is this part to the right. Now these i's over here cancel each other out, so what we're left with is A plus B minus I. Now, going back to our definitions over here, this will give us the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. Okay, and this is the addition rule in probabilities. In some cases, it may be useful to flip this formula over here and just isolate A intersection B. If we were to do that, we'd get the probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A union B. Okay, so that is the addition rule rearranged. If you've enjoyed this video and you want more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. For extra mathematics proofs, visit my Instagram page, mathematics.proofs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.